Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to follow Mark along as he does a motor swap in this awesome 1969 Mustang convertible. Now this car got me in some trouble. I bought this at auction a few months ago. We got it in and found the motor had low compression. Where most classic car dealers would flip the car onto you, the buyer, here at Coyote Classics, we ordered a $6,000 new crate motor, and we're going to do the motor swap, get the car all dialed in. That way when you buy it, you don't have any issues. So follow along and we'll show you all the work that goes into these cars at Coyote Classics.
Holy, dude, this thing stays so tight too.
Just when you thought I couldn't get it out of control.
I don't know if I've been in a car with this much horsepower that handles so nice.
Holy smoke! This is something special right here, guys. Working on a Mustang, getting ready to pull the motor. Got the radiator and I've got the electric fan out of it. Now I'm going to start disconnecting the wires. There's so many sensors on this newer fuel injected stuff. When we go back together, I can just look at my photos and I can see exactly where things go. I mark them, but I still take pictures of it. That way there's no questions when we go back together. I got everything disconnected. The only thing we got to do is pull the main bell housing off and pull the two motor mount bolts, hook the cherry picker up to it, and it's ready to come out.
We'll shove her all the way up to the bumper here.
We got to go all the way.
Yep. There you go.
All right.
You ready?
Take it up. Just take the tension off them so we can get the bolts out.
What bolts are left?
Motor mount bolts.
All right.
The nuts are off, we just got to get them.
Slide them out?
We got to get them slid out.
What are we running into for an issue?
It's just custom made mounts and everything's really, really tight. We chose to pull the tranny because it was just, we would just fought it. We don't want to break anything. We want to pull the motor out with the headers because there's just no room. I mean, we want to be able to put the motor in like it is now and take it out like it is now.
Yeah, this ain't no 350 swap.
No, it's no 302 or 289 swap. The guy that built this car, he probably spent a lot of hours.
Grab a 3/4 deep well,
okay.
And you're going to have to do it from the top side.
All right, you going to guide me?
Yep.
Oh, I can see it. All right, so you're prying out.
Yep,
Hey, why don't you try to jack this up while I'm wiggling it?
The motor?
Yep.
There she
went.
go.
Took her out. Now go get an engine stand. You're set.
I need to pull headers.
Oh, with it up in the air?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, since the mounts are so, the tolerance on them mounts are really close.
Well,
there's no give.
Yeah, we can get them off that block. Don't put them on the new block until we
I don't think
fit them a little bit.
Right.
Give them a little more room.
Today at Coyote Classics, I'm super excited to show you this gorgeous 1969 Ford Mustang convertible Restomod. This is a car that we don't get in very often, period. A 69 Mustang convertible, and then to have one with an SVT, brand new crate engine in it, 6-speed manual transmission, rim blown steering wheel, the roll bar, the 4-wheel disc brakes, the updated front and rear suspension, gorgeous dual exhaust. We put a brand new crate motor in it. This thing had the SVT in it, but it was just getting weak. They used a used one when they did the build. So we put a brand new one in from Speedway. So, I mean, you can't go wrong with this car. But you can take this to any car show I mean, you're not gonna see another one anything like this. That's what's cool about it.
Yep, so we bought this car at auction. Dalton ended up buying it and we brought it back and it had low compression. So we figured, I mean, a lot of car dealerships might have just flipped it onto you guys, the buyers, but we decided to go the extra mile and put a whole new crate motor in it, so.
Yeah, we really didn't raise the price. You know
No.
what I mean? It's just something we had to do and ate it. We've had it here for a while. It was a huge project for us and took a couple months to get that crate motor here. So now we're putting it on the website and it's just a gorgeous car. Unfortunately, that's how it goes. A lot of times you go to an auction, you really can't drive them. You can't really spend too much time with them. You just never know what you're getting. So that's why I prefer not to do that very often because usually you get burned. Into fourth gear, drop it down, fifth, and there's your sixth. But that's 80 mile an hour, fourth gear, 3,000 RPM. You're not gonna get a lot of spin. Because your rear end and all that traction control and shit, it's like a new Mustang. What do you think?
I love it.
I love it too. Like I said, with the traction control and stuff, it just gets up and goes.
Told you.
It'll spin up. It sounds so cool, doesn't it?
Yeah. That's a sweet car.
Yep.
Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.